Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're diving straight into the topic of organizing your content creation workflow using TODOIST, your 2025 complete guide. First off, let's create a new project in TODOIST specifically for your content creation. Click the plus icon and give your project a name that's easy to identify, like content creation. This helps us keep all tasks related to content creation in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's break down our content creation process into tasks. Click the Add Task button and start keying in tasks such as topic research, draft writing, editing, and publishing. The reason we do this is to keep the workflow organized, making sure no steps are missed in the hustle and bustle of creating content. Next up, let's set due dates for each task. This not only helps us stay on track, but also ensures we're managing our time effectively. Click on each task and add a due date, keeping in mind your content schedule and the time needed for each task. Now let's take it a step further with labels. Labels help us categorize tasks based on their nature. For example, research could be labeled as creative, draft writing as writing, and so on. This helps us because it gives us a clear view of the different types of tasks we have for our content creation and how much time we should allocate for each category. Lastly, let's prioritize our tasks. Todoist allows us to set task priority from P1 to P4, P1 being the highest. Make use of this feature to prioritize tasks based on their urgency or importance. This is crucial as it ensures that important tasks are not overlooked or delayed. Let me explain why this matters. Organizing your content creation workflow in Todoist not only helps you stay organized, but also boosts your productivity. With clear tasks, due dates, labels, and priorities, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more efficient content creation process. And there you have it. That's how you organize your content creation workflow in Todoist. With this guide, your 2025 content creation journey just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.